how to buy dividend stocks on Robinhood, or how to invest using your dividend on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pippin Business, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy dividend stocks on Robinhood, or how you can buy stocks using your dividends. Now, the Robinhood automatically processes your dividends. Cash dividends are credited as cash to your brokerage account by default. Now, to enable dividend reinvestment, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your account, simply tap on account at the bottom of your screen, and then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. And here you'll get the option that says investing. In my case, it's not here because my account isn't verified. As you can see here, I haven't added my bank account or linked anything here. So you'll get the investing options under menu, right? So you want to select the enable dividend reinvestment option. If you have dividend reinvestment enabled, you can choose to automatically reinvest the cash from dividend payments from a dividend reinvestment eligible security back into individual stocks or ETFs. You can view your receipt as scheduled dividends under accounts in the app. Select menu and the settings here on the menu. Here select history and dividends. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.